From CBS 6, the Weather Authority, Chief Meteorologist Zach Daniel.
And what a Valentine's Day it was. A lot of us in the dark, so adding an extra little wrinkle or maybe some fun with the lights out all night, just candlelight. Over 100,000 people at one point out of power yesterday because of this pretty epic ice storm that we had. And looks like we've got 2.0 for some parts of Virginia headed our way on Thursday. Outside right now, just a little bit of fog has developed across the area. The morning low 34, the high 39. Hardly a nice day, but at least we made it above freezing, and we stayed above freezing last night. So the slow meltdown of that ice and the snow continues across the area. Let's check what we have outside right now. Our current temperature is coming in still in the 30s, and that's the case with a lot of the locations here across Richmond. 37 Chester, 38 here in Richmond, 37 back in Kilmarnock. We have some 40s across southeast Virginia, and what we're going to see here over the next 24 hours is a big warm up and then a return of the colder air. Visibilities are down in all locations, reduced visibilities because of the fog that has settled in across the area. Here's a look at your weather headlines. Rain returns tonight, and we may even have a few rumbles of thunder out there as we'll have strong lift coming in. Warm front will move through the area, and we'll have a little bit of rain lingering to about sunrise. After that, it is dry the rest of the day with a big warm up. Highs in the 50s and even some 60s tomorrow afternoon. And then an ice storm likely for parts of the area on Thursday. It looks like a wintry mix here across central sections with some snow, then a little bit of sleet and freezing rain. Then switching over to all rain. So overall, just a big mess headed our way for Thursday, particularly in the morning. Nothing out there right now in terms of rainfall, but it's coming in from the south and west and will continue to develop and push in our direction. You've probably seen so far today reports on this massive snowstorm out west. The only thing we're going to get from that is tonight's rainfall. There's some severe weather down south. That is not going to head up this way. Just some periods of moderate to heavy rainfall for us. But this has been a monster storm, no doubt about it. We have winter advisories from the U.S.-Canadian border all the way down to the Mexican border. And at one point there was lake effect snows in Texas. That's how cold the air mass was. It still is across the area. It's just 3 degrees in Oklahoma City. They had a wind chill of minus 29, tying an all-time record. Just 13 degrees currently in Dallas. Low temperatures for tonight will stay above freezing, so no issue with any ice tonight with the rainfall that comes through. Highs tomorrow are going to make it into the 50s and even some 60s, so a nice mild day headed our way. There's a look at your forecast. Any chance of rain tomorrow is going to be very early in the day, so if you do work outside or spend a lot of time outside, you'll be good to go. Just a few showers early in the morning. Rest of tonight, here comes the rain. Heavy at times, a few thunderstorms mixed in there. Early tomorrow morning, everything moves out. It will be good for the rest of the day with some partial clearing. Wednesday, a colder day as the cold air moves right back into the region, and that sets us up for that wintry mess coming up on Thursday. We'll start the day with some rain, then mixed precipitation with some snow and some ice around here, mainly snow farther north and west. Then it turns over to mainly ice, an extended period of ice as well as we get into Thursday night. Looking at our temperature trend over the next week, tomorrow's your only day of real comfortable weather, upper 50s. The rest of the way, it remains pretty chilly. And there's a look at your 7-day forecast. Again, tomorrow's going to be pretty good. The rain gets out fairly early, up to 57 degrees. Gets colder on Wednesday, but dry, and then 100% chance of a wintry mix coming up on Thursday. Ice storm criterion will likely be met, especially south and west of Richmond. A few lingering showers Friday, and just a cold and dry weekend.
Thank you, Zach.